As we continue to look at the morphology of numbers, we now come to numeral incorporation. Numeral incorporation is a particular type of compounding where the hand shape of a number is fused with the other features of another sign, so that you have this number 1 fused with the other features to sign 1 week, or 1 day, or 2 days, 2 months, 2 years old, at 2 o'clock. But before we look at numeral incorporation, we have to realize that there are actually several systems of numbers that exist in ASL. We have cardinal numbers, which are just the regular numbers that are formed. We've already discussed those. As well as ordinal numbers that show the order of things, first, second, third. As well as ranking numbers, which show the importance or the rank of things, first in importance, second in importance, third in importance. But from those, we see a large number of possible numeral incorporations. This list is extensive, but this is probably not even an exhaustive list. So we can see number incorporated in a particular way to show the amounts of money, $1 or $1.25, $3 or $5.75, age, 1 year old, 9 years old, exact time, 9 o'clock, 2 o'clock. Notice it's exact time. You cannot use it for approximate time. So you cannot say at 2:15. You have to sign time 2:15. Native signers don't incorporate 2:15. They would do time 2:15. Height, which uses a special backward facing palm orientation, 6-0 or 5-8. Days, 1 day, 2 days, days ago, days from now. Notice, by the way, yesterday simply is the old number 1 day ago, and tomorrow is the old number 1 day from now. Weeks, just the simple number or weeks in the future. You can also do that this way. Weeks in the past, which has the palm orientation upward, 2 weeks ago, 3 weeks ago. Months, 1 month, 2 month, or 1 month from now, 2 months from now. And years, which does not incorporate in the base form. You would sign 5 years. You would not sign 5 and bring that 5 all the way around. That would be incorrect. You would do 5 years. But you can incorporate the numbers 1 through 5 with years in the future or years in the past. Most of these allow you to use the numbers 1 through 9, but years in the future and years in the past only allow the numbers 1 through 5. You cannot sign 6 years from now. There are also special formations that we see of numbers. One example is in sports. You can use numbers to label things, so you can label jersey number, player 6 or player 85. You can label scores, where you show your own score by signing the number close to you, and the score of an opposing team by signing the number farther away. So if your team is winning 35-0, then it would be 35-0. Or if your team is losing 8-7, then it would be 8-7. Again, this is not meant to show you the only ways that numbers can be used in ASL, but just to give you an overview of the large number of times that numbers are compounded with other features to create the special instance of numeral incorporation.